Season 3 Episode 6. Tamir Brown's second clone shuts down 20th Century Studios / Grounded.
Man, I'm bored. I'm going to watch some TV. I'm going to watch Ron's Gone Wrong. Why is Ron's Gone Wrong is on 20th Century Studios? It's not supposed to be on 20th Century Studios. What I am going to do today? I know, I'm going to shut down 20th Century Studios and turn off the searchlight. Ha 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 ha. Hooray! I made it into 20th Century Studios. I'm going to turn off the searchlights and destroy the 20th Century Studios, and I'm going to destroy the 20th Century Studios headquarters to shut it down. There, I turned off the searchlights and destroyed the 20th Century Studios. Now time to headquarters to shut it down. I'm shutting down 20th Century Studios.
Meanwhile,
Rosie, are you ready to watch the movie?
Yeah, let's watch the Simpsons movie.
Uh-oh! What happened to 20th Century Studios? We can't watch the Simpsons movie. Dad, we can't watch the Simpsons movie.
If you can't watch the Simpsons movie, I think 20th Century Studios has shut down.
I think Tamir Brown's second clone did it.
Tamir Brown's second clone, come here right now, you are in so much trouble. Tamir Brown's second clone, how dare you shut down 20th Century Studios? That's it, you are grounded for 2 weeks. Go to your room now.
Wah!
thanks for watching.